frustrated and angry, expect more. It's not easy to win in this league. We know that. Nobody's naive to the fact that nobody's just going to lay down and just give you a victory. But at the end of the day, we expect more, and we will do better as we move forward. SA, you're up first. Who's the most to blame for the Raiders' 0-3 start?
Yeah, this is directed at Keyshawn Johnson. It's your boy Derek Carr. This is on him. This is absolutely, this is right on him. I'm coming right at you. I couldn't wait to bring this up. Listen. Obviously,
how's it on Derek Carr? What are you talking about?
I'm about to tell you, my brother. I'm about to tell you. I understand there's various components that come with it. You blow it. Listen, you were up 20-0 on Arizona. You couldn't stop the bleeding. Ain't you the franchise quarterback? Ain't you that dude?
Stephen A. Stop.
You completed, hold on. You completing 60% of your passes. Don't you got Devontae Adams up in there that came over from Green Bay? What's that about? Don't you have a running back that's averaging nearly 5 yards a carry? And Josh Jacobs? Yes, you do. Do you not have an offensive play caller and Josh McDaniels that's supposed to know what the hell he's doing? Yes. I'm not completely absolving the coach. I understand that. And it's early. Please don't get me wrong. But this segment is for Keyshawn Johnson, Irvin, because my point that I'm making is this brother been raving about Derek Carr. Do you know he had him as an MVP candidate early last year? That was Keyshawn Johnson. That's the kind of nonsense he was talking.
That was last year, man.
Listen,
relax.
No.
Because 2 years ago, relax.
Listen, you can sit there and frown all you want to. You ain't scaring me, Chucky. The fact of the matter is, you walk around here, you got a soft spot for Derek Carr. All I'm saying to you is this. Listen. There's a lot that goes into why the Raiders have lost. I get all of that. They 0-3. Don't get me wrong. I'm not being literal in a sense. I picked this segment because I wanted to bring attention to Keyshawn's boy, Derek Carr. He's completing 60% of his passes, okay? The brothers got 6 touchdowns and 4 interceptions. They 0-3. You the face of the franchise. You getting paid the bag. You got a number 1 weapon in Devontae Adams. You got a receiver in Josh Jacobs. You got a baller in Waller at the tight end spot. You got an offensive coordinator and a new leader in Josh McDaniels. Y'all 0-3. I told y'all before this season began, when everybody was talking about the Raiders, I paused and I said, does anybody recognize that this team could potentially be in last place? I said, because the AFC West is that tough.
Right.
We are 3 weeks in. Where the hell they at? Last place. Devontae Adams talking about, yo, man, we got to do better. I mean, I'm not happy about this at all. It's frustrating. We're the face of the franchise. The fact of the matter is, I understand everything ain't his fault, but you the man paid to stop the bleeding. You the face of the franchise.
So let me
start quarterback, and they
Stephen
0-3. You damn right I'm going to look at Derek Carr.
They are 0-3, and I give you this. They lost by less than a touchdown to the Chargers. He gave the ball away 3 times. I put some of that on him. They had a chance to win.
On Arizona.
Okay.
They were up 20-0 on Arizona.
It ain't. Let me get there. I'll let you go on. I'm gonna use some of your. I'm sitting in your seat, and I'm gonna use some of your time.
Why are you sitting in my seat? Why are you sitting in my seat? How come you ain't in the other seat? Why are you sitting in my seat?
No, I'm sitting in your seat. You talk about they was up on Arizona. How about Josh McDaniels took his foot off the pedal? Okay. How about that? How about the fact of Renfro fumble? That ain't nothing to do with no damn Derek Carr, man.
That's true.
You gonna blame Derek Carr on that? Oh, he did throw an interception by way in Tennessee. Did he not put the ball right in the midst of Waller in the touchdown zone? He took his eyes off of it, worried about getting hit, pops in the air. It's an interception, a credit to Derek Carr.
That's fair.
When you look at Derek Carr and you look at his numbers, look at how many drops out there on that field of them receivers. Look at that. Don't try to put it all on Derek Carr. That defense, it's not good. Where's Chandler Jones? They got him from Arizona. Oh, my God. The pass rush is going to be crazy with Crosby. Nothing.
Whoa.
What?
I understand the defense ain't great, but it ain't like they gave up 40 or 50 points. They gave up 24 in 2 games, 29 in another. I understand it. Listen,
Stephen A.,
you the face of the franchise, whole cat's accountable.
Coordinator and you the play caller, you don't take your foot off the gas.
Thanks for watching ESPN on YouTube. For live streaming sports and premium content, subscribe to ESPN+.